Having a quality inverter for the truck will enhance the driving experience up to a greater extent by providing a safe, reliable, and constant power supply. It is an electronic device that converts the DC power to AC for the safe operating of several appliances. If you are using new tools and equipment in the truck, such as microwaves, mini refrigerator, TV or DVD sets, etc., then ensure that these appliances work well with sufficient power from the inverter and thereby allow a safe, efficient and happy journey. In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best power inverter for truck. So let's get started. Number 7. Cobra CPI 1500 watts power inverter. This one is another considerable option for our low-end electric needs. You can use it anywhere: car, van, boats, and even hiking trips as well. Cobra CPI comes with 1500 watts and 3000 watts of peak power. Thus, no worries of damaging any devices during plugging them. The particular power capacity makes the inverter easily portable as well. It even has a handle on the top for holding purposes. Moreover, talking about the space needed becomes completely useless here. Coming to the attention-grabbing feature, its LED indicator. The LED display in the inverter comes in 7 different colors to tell you the accurate battery status. All the other necessary information is displayed as well. Having a multiple color display gives you precise condition, and it looks great too. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 6. VOLTWORKS 3000 watts power inverter. This will be the best pick to consider for pure sine wave lovers. VOLTWORKS is a pure sine wave inverter that will turn out to be the best friend of your devices. On top of that, the 3000 watts of power is more than enough to cover your basic electric needs. When it comes to comparing the features of this inverter with other modified options, the VOLTWORKS doesn't hold back. Starting with the most adorable one, smart remote control. The feature gives you the liberty to control the inverter from the driver's seat, regardless of the inverter's position. This remote with 15 feet long cable becomes more valuable when you feel the need to switch the inverter on a warm, crowded road. The smart LCD screen is another praisable factor. With this, you can easily know the current status of the inverter. It displays all the vital information like battery left, I/O voltage, and other safety symbols mode. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 5. Giandel 5000 watts power inverter. This one is the leading inverter manufacturers of Australia, Giandel. For over a decade, the Giandel have never disappointed the market with any faulty product. And its 5000 W power inverter is no exception. This heavy-duty inverter will be a perfect match if you've higher electric needs in general. Installing the inverter makes you completely worry-free about the health of plugging devices. Not only for regular truck drivers, but there's something for RV workshop owners too. You can even use it to operate heavy machines like chainsaw or grinder as well. The inverter's peak power is over 10,000 watts. It will easily handle the starting burden of every device you plug in simultaneously, thus riding your truck without any fear of overload and surge issues. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. BESTEK 1200 watts power inverter. This one is to cover up the needs for a small vehicle like vans and mini trucks. A 1200 watts power inverter is all you need in this case. But don't worry, with BESTEK, you'll not have to worry about the quality of the inverter. The company provides you with almost similar benefits you expect in high-power inverters. Starting with the quiet cooling fan first. The company claims to provide you with 0 to minimum operating sound. This will help you on long journeys, drive your vehicle without any irritating and distracting sound. The LED display is also available with this model, helping you to have a better look at the inverter and battery status. This smart screen displays important health conditions such as battery level, safety symbols, etc. You can easily take necessary steps when needed. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Ampeak 2000 watts power inverter. Ampeak is one of the oldest company in the automotive and energy solution space. Its 2000 watts power inverter comes from the side of 23 years old company. Thus, questioning its quality will be a waste of time. This power inverter is compact, which means you'll not have to worry about the limited space. In addition to this, its out body is made with an ABS shell to provide strength and durability to the inverter, physically. Thus, no worries while riding a truck on poor roads. By having a glimpse of the advanced features, it looks like it is a 2000 watts plus inverter. The Ampeak inverter comes with 2 cooling fans for effective heat removing process. No matter what the heat will be, these fans will always manage to cool down the whole system in no time. This also brings surety that the inverter will last for many years. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Energizer 3000 watts power inverter. There's no doubt that the Energizer 3000 watts will take care of your moderate to high consumption needs. Moreover, its peak 6000 watts of power leaves no reasons to worry about the safety of the inverter. Its smart LED screen is there to convey accurate details about the inverter and battery. You can easily know about the battery stats, I/O voltage, and a lot of other things. On operating the inverter on protection mode, the LED will let you know about the active modes as well. The inverter is equipped with a decent number of ports as well. There are 2 USB ports and AC outlets each, so that you don't need to comprise on plugging devices. Also, you'll get the necessary cables with the pack. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Krieger 2000 watts power inverter. Krieger 2000 watts is a compact-sized power inverter. It'll be the perfect pick if you're running out of space. The inverter can be fit anywhere and doesn't weigh much. It also comes with 4000 watts of peak power. Thus, you can rely on an inverter while plugging heavy devices with 0 worries. The inverter features you with the smart remote system, which tends to become much handy in the long run. Now, you can switch the inverter with just a single press, that too without moving. Another adorable feature on the list is the smart LCD screen. It will inform you about the accurate conditions of both the inverter and batteries. The screen will display power status, I/O voltages, and many other protect symbols on the way. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 7 best power inverter for truck just for you.